So here's how to create YouTube Shorts on Capcut PC. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to go to your Chrome browser, and here in the Chrome browser you have to search for the pexels.com and you have to download any video that you want to download. Here, as you can see that I have downloaded this video. Once I have downloaded the video, now I will open my Capcut app, and after that I will import it on my Capcut. Now here I'm gonna click on the import option to import the media from my computer to my Capcut. Once I clicked on the my import option, now it will take me to my computer files. Here I will select this downloaded video. After that, here I'm gonna click on the open to import the video on my Capcut workspace. Now once I have imported the media here, now I'm gonna click on the video and drag and drop the video here in the workspace option. Once I drag and drop the video here, now here I'm gonna simply click on the ratio option. Now to set the ratio, I clicked on the ratio option, and after that I simply select this ratio, that is the YouTube Shorts ratio. Once I selected the YouTube Shorts ratio, then here I'm simply gonna click on the audio option to add music. You can select audio from Capcut's vast library, or you can simply upload your own audio from your computer. Once you selected the music, now here you have to simply click on the plus icon, and as you can see it automatically adjusted to your workspace. After that, here I'm gonna simply click on this clip and I will copy it. Once I copied the clip, now I'm gonna paste it next to my clip. After that, here you can apply transition effects, animations, stickers or text to your video. You can also adjust the speed of your video in the speed tab. If you want to decrease the speed of your video, you have to swipe this line to the left. Once you made all the changes, now you can simply click on the export option at the top to export the video into your computer. After that, simply click on the export option here. Once your video is successfully exported, now you can publish this video onto your YouTube channel. So that's how to make a YouTube Shorts video on Capcut PC.